This is our lesson number 46 in Sapphire Kingdom Gemmology YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about some of the most important types of other gemstones. There are a lot of other gemstones we can learn here. If you forget to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give a share to all your friends and relatives to get the knowledge and do some business in our country. In here, we are discussing moonstones. Moonstones, a special gemstone. Buyers are finding these. Rainbow moonstones. This is rainbow moonstone. Another name in Sinhala is Punakang. In Mitiagoda area, there were a lot of moonstones there we can find. These are the moonstone types we can find, and colors and types. Stones with blue sheens are most expensive. Blue sheens. This is from Madagascar. Ola moonstone. In here we are learning tetragonal, trigonal, and hexagonal minerals. We learned earlier. Tetragonal means there are 4 based. Trigonal, triangles are there. Hexagonal, there are 6 sides. 3 types of minerals can only show 2 colors. Tetragonal, trigonal, hexagonal minerals are showing only 2 colors in their pleochroism and called dichroic. Those are dichroic. So remember, tetragonal, trigonal, and hexagonal minerals are dichroic. Then another one we learned in last lesson, lesson number 45, orthorhombic, monoclinic, and triclinic. Another 3. Altogether 6 were learned in last lesson. Tetragonal, trigonal, hexagonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, and triclinic. Out of these 6, tetragonal, trigonal, and hexagonal minerals are called dichroic minerals and gives 2 colors. Orthorhombic, monoclinic, and triclinic crystals can show 3 colors and called trichroic. The first one is dichroic. This one is trichroic because 3 colors are given in their pleochroism. So dichroic and trichroic. Remember the shapes also. Tetragonal, trigonal, hexagonal are dichroic. Orthorhombic, monoclinic, and triclinic are trichroic. We learned these 6 types in early lesson. Dichroic gems show 2 colors. Trichroic gems show 3 colors. This is the list of dichroic gems. Ruby, emerald, amethyst, blue zircon, corundum, some of the dichroic gems. And trichroic gems, peridot, singolite, andalusite, tanzanite, iolite. These are trichroic. Then you know the crystal shape is orthorhombic, monoclinic, or triclinic here. Triclinic. In dichroic gems, the crystal shape is tetragonal, trigonal, or hexagonal. These are the 2 types. Now, this is the relationship between the 45th lesson and this lesson. So remember this, easy to remember. You better write down in your notebook. Now here, it is Andalusite. Another name for Andalusite in Sri Lanka, local name is Guinea Boku Tora. Guinea Boku Tora. Andalusite is Guinea Boku Tora. Trichroic gems. Dark red, brown, yellow. These are the colors given. Red, brown, yellow. And you can see a lot of Andalusite gems here. And light brown, greenish brown, and dark brown also here. This is singolite. This is singolite. This is peridot, dark green to light green. All are peridots here. So here we saw peridots, Andalusites, and singolite. Singolite, there are two varieties. One is brown yellow, and the other one is green with greenish tint. The singolite with greenish tint is expensive than the other variety. So the common variety gives yellowish brown, but the greenish tint gives high price. Singolite is a rare stone. Here another beautiful gemstone called iolite. Iolite, look at the iolite colors. This is tanzanite, we learned earlier. This is tanzanite color. And iolite is very beautiful stone. Perfect example of eye visible pleochroism with light to dark violet, gray, yellow, and brown pleochroic colors. Color grading is given as B, A, double A, triple A. Triple A is the top color in iolite. So look at the grades. Grade B, very dark color, almost black. It is grade B, iolite color. Lightest color is A. Medium color, it is double A. Top color is triple A. Look at the iolite colors here also. Then pleochroism of iolite, dark purple, blue, yellow. There are three. Dark purple, blue, and yellow are the three colors of pleochroism in iolite. Violet dominant and blue dominant are there. Both are there in trichroic gems. Look at the color range. Light, VA medium, V2A good, V double A very good, V triple A exceptional, V triple A plus, it is a rare color. This grading comes with the iolite and also tanzanite. Blue dominant is given like this. Then purple dominant and blue dominant is coming like that. Here it is apatite. Another gemstones we know it is apatite. There are a lot of colors given with apatite. Green apatite, the pleochroism is light brown. These all colors are coming with apatite. These are the colors. So look at the colors in apatite. And here scapolite. These are scapolites. Scapolite and the apatite, another gemstone. Here we are learning about the opal. See, Ethiopian opal. And here, fire opal. Fire opal cutting is faceting. Fire opals are faceting. But the other opals are cutting as cabochons. Look at the fire opal, all are faceted opal. But the Ethiopian opal, look at the Ethiopian opal, it is flat, cabochon, precious opal, boulder opal, black opal, matrix opal, synthetic opal, common opal, crystal opal, harlequin opal, opalized wood. It is wood like opal. Nature given the shape and the style. Imitation opal. All are cabochons other than the fire opal. Here, moonstones. We learned earlier also. All are moonstones. This is rainbow moonstone from Madagascar. Stones with blue sheens are more expensive. Foreigners like to buy moonstones. Another name in Sinhalese is Chandrakanti Pashan. Chandrakanti Pashan. It is moonstone. That is single word. These are pearls, natural pearls. Pearls are coming with this oyster. This is the pearl and the mother shell here. These are pearls we can find. There are freshwater pearl also. Natural pearl with the mother shell here. This is freshwater pearl. The shape is little bit different. See, white, and these see the colors of the pearls, pink, purple, blue, and here gold color, yellow color, white color, pink, purple, blue, green, chocolate, black. These are the colors inside these pearls, natural pearls. Natural pearls are like rounds, shape is rounds. But the freshwater pearl is like this, little bit difference. Surface is silky and smooth. It is organic gem material. Organic gem material. This is the pearl ring, black pearl ring, pearl and opal, two things. Another organic gemstone. It is coral. Look at the coral. Very nice colors are there: red, green, red, brown, black. See, and amolite. This is amolite. Beautiful colors. Petrified wood. This is wood. Sand dollar. These are the names inside the coral. Sand dollar. The sand dollars found on the beach today are from an ancient group of animals that has lived in the oceans for millions of years. They are doing this, and we are using it. So this is the ring with red coral. Red coral, black coral. There are a lot of organic gems we can find. So you have to learn these organic gems. The deep red coral stone underwater waiting to be embraced. Organic gems of sea plants. Coral is a plant, sea plant. So it is very beautiful for jewelries. Those are organic gemstones. Another quartz family: lazurite, tiger's eye, moss agate, sodalite, agate, serpentine, aragonite, ox eye. So all are quartz family. We learned earlier jasper, chrysoprase, red coral. This is organic jasper, falcon's eye. Those are we learn with quartz family, and here coral also here. So these are doing as cabochons. And another thing we are using here, Navaratna 9 gem set. Inside Navaratna gem set, these are the gems we need: diamond, emerald, yellow sapphire, cat's eye, blue sapphire, hessonite garnet, coral, ruby, pearl. Actually, the pearl is not the stone, but we are adding pearl here. The genuine stone here must be moonstone. Instead of moonstones, pearls are used in Sri Lanka and India also. But the genuine Navaratna set gives here with Chandrakanti Pashana, that means Punakang, that means moonstone. Moonstone is the correct stone. Diamond, emerald. Instead of emerald, we are using zircon. That is wrong. This is the correct set of Navaratna. So learn. Instead of pearl, it should be moonstone. Moonstone plus diamond, emerald, yellow sapphire, cat's eye, blue sapphire, hessonite garnet, red coral, and the ruby. No Padmaraga comes to this. So, you know the dark blue sapphire called Kakanil. It is Ceylon natural dark blue sapphires. It's using for the Saturn's problems. To resolve the Saturn's issues, somebody used the Kakanil. That means darker blackish blue sapphire. Then the Navaratna set, and you should know the Navaratna set, the real Navaratna set comes with those. Instead of pearl, it comes moonstone. No Padmaraga there. It is coral and the ruby. Coral, ruby, hessonite, garnet. These are the things, Navaratna sets. So remember, everybody in our country, Sri Lanka, uses wrongly this. So the correct one, I told you. Instead of pearl, it is moonstone. Instead of Padmaraga, it is coral, hessonite, garnet, blue sapphire, cat's eye, yellow sapphire, emerald, diamond, not the white sapphire, diamond. Instead of diamond, we are using emerald, white sapphire. Instead of emerald, we are using circle. That is wrong. So this is the correct Navaratna set. Join us, learn and enrich your future with us. We will meet with very expensive top 10 gemstones in lesson number 47. Please subscribe and give a share and type a comment. So we hope to meet on next